Hello guys, today in this video I will introduce ILI9325 Arduino compatible library for Esp32. Let's begin. I work on too much time. Now this McuFriend Arduino shield usable on Arduino IDE with Esp32. When I dig in on internet, I see one another option. This option already use Esp32, this LCD, but library work on VS Code. I want to make this process much easier. Go to my GitHub page, link in description. Download library, install on Arduino, and go to example. You see two different examples. Open graphic test example. Let's see in test code. Except a few things, all functions same TFT ESPI library. Even I take graphic test example from him. If you don't know how to use their function, you must be watch this tutorial. I explain everything in this video. Why I work too much this library? Because using 8-bit parallel communication. That means fast. Also, you can see test result. So I did it. I released library but not complete yet. This screen has a touch panel but not used for now. Cause of touch panel share same pin with display. When I try to use display broke, I will fix it. Also pins are constrained. In next version I will make pins are selectable by user. Follow GitHub page, subscribe my channel and like this video. See you in next project.